My name is Adam Lowe with Keller Williams Luxury Realty, Adam Lowe & Associates. I'm a professional real estate agent in Carmel Valley, California. This property is a well-located home in the center of Carmel Valley, just off Highway 5 and Delmar Heights Road, close to top regional shopping centers, elementary, middle schools, and high schools. This property is 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 4,620 square feet, and an amazing backyard. The views to die for, to the west and to the north, the hot air balloons from Del Mar, and the canyons making the sunset an amazing time of day. Enjoy the pool, spa, or just sit by the koi pond and read a book. The barbecue area is perfect to cook up your favorite meals, serve drinks, pull up to the main bar, or sit in the many raised patios. Summertime's right around the corner. All we need is you to enjoy this beautiful home and amazing backyard.